bahala na. Let
Bahala
God
na.
take care of it.
Bahala. Bahala means, nasa tao ang gawa, nasa Diyos ang awa. So you study to study. And then, take the test. In that sense, bahala ng Diyos. But I'll do because you've studied already. Yun ang bahala na. You've done your work, God will do the rest.
Yeah. There's this fatalistic view sometimes, di ba, na okay, whatever happens, that's God's will for me. That it turns people to a point sometimes of, hindi naman giving up, but like surrendering, but in a way that hindi na sila lumalaban kasi si God na nga yung bahala sa kanila.
Mali din yata yun. In the sense na, alam mo, mali ang nangyayari sa'yo, pero you are not doing anything to counter that. So, in a way, it's a form of laziness or lack of will na pinapabayaan mo something happening to you na alam mo mali. Bahala na ang Diyos. No! You have to take care of yourself. Dahil sa God gave you the intelligence, God gave you whatever it is to stand for yourself. Pareho nga yun. May exam ka, merong project sa eskwela mo, nag-nightclub ka, bahala ng Diyos. No! Hindi bahala ka, hindi mo ginawa yung assignment. Hindi mo ginawa yung project. So don't blame it on God. Blame it on yourself.